I didn't expect this. So na kana laga tawse no adum chui.
Sise aingona khatang oram do mande ko ayamana dum forum do male karigum kanda life ta mi atei sina aingon de hena fana sum tawkhiba man do they seem to be doing a lot better than us in life. Karigino khanba kanda ko je we like to compare ourselves with others. Sigi maram khara de ko gi parents na ko je kamaina atopa ngang sing compare to yo lai ko gi family relatives ta lai ba ngang tuition the school da ko di hena fana tawkhiba ngang sing da compare to was. So moi parents so in tawrang gani cycle lamane ko da pass down torok pa.
Kana dinate no khachure. Khachole then I stopped here and look where I am right now. Angan pho maru chang. Song si the satri sat phore sorry. Nung sa di saya rapada yang kuin di sa ta do no ate. Kupha jajing.
So collective knowledge haibamga individual knowledge haibamga ni sui. So ariba ancient society sings the me se individual knowledge yam lay haitar adu collective knowledge yam do. So me kudimak se they have to survive on their own. Masagi yum sani, masagi chana du thini, adagi masasu protect thosani they have to protect their own land. Si tawang with the mo se they had to get better at everything though. So bakoy budi yang ani moina aduga moi di hena fana tawriba mi ama thirani aduga compare tawni masana masase. So see comparison jena moi se moi skills to improve tawnaba magi survival chance to hena with the improve tawnaba hone. So moi gi oina it worked. Sisinani khoi ancestors in survive the horis moi mata masu le then eventually akhoi su pole. Adu koi modern societies that different ore koi gi collective knowledge in hand growth ore adu koi gi individual knowledge se strength of silak pado aduna koi se we need not to know koi na koi maglo ina isana to gi dakar la yaktra haita koi isagi on yum je isana chadra su yare isagi on food je thidra su yare adi koi on land je koi defend to su yare pado. So instead koi na ako je kay the fage have do the specialized to bungam bado adun mi ato pa de rely to ba ko in survival da makta. So punchi je in this sense koi easier or pado mi am makta ko vast knowledge ma whole to we mahota we have many people ko specific areas to yam deep over knowledge ma am whole to ga tham. So problem is in koina comparison se motivator oina sina se work to bodo hana gi domaina hojiki modern society study madam there are too many areas koina track to wangam de hen am am lai khra tar masagi koina pan gi domaina koi gi collective knowledge am grow to rokre aduna masagi modern civilization sina koi full of knowledge am vast oiba. So aduna trying to be good at everything se koi exhausted o han comparison je koina red race where ko survival the help tawrambe mahut hojiti tawdre haita and suffer down over pot amo han but it makes us feel left out. It makes us feel like ko survival je threat the labor down found but and survival ki damak the hena counter productive counter intuitive or so kai to the car so maybe compared to when we see somebody akoi di hena fana tawba somebody who's doing something better than us curiosity cultivate to and help to the color. So compare to asking ourselves moigi kari need na moina fulfill tawna hona is so the mind it unlocks a whole new world a new way of looking at things. Instead of feeling left out, we have compassion. I demand as it always say what need ma fulfill tawna hona maybe sina the gratitude to cultivate the help tawdra trying to look at what we already have. We kari ding am kre ai kari di hairage kari haitrige na yang mo so taking time to cultivate gratitude and gratitude journaling how help the way so many people find it helpful, so that's something we can try. Nongse khara taram badai fazan tare swaida lepage. Catch you next time.